Hi everyone. Today's review is about a TED talk which was done by the speaker Mustafa Suleiman, the CEO of the Microsoft, and it focuses about the AI, artificial intelligence, which is booming nowadays in the whole world. So let's jump in. Here is a 6 point summary with a critical analysis about how Mustafa gives the details about AI in a concise manner, and how he highlights the things which are just ordinary from a public's eye. So first of all, he says that AI has moved beyond being mere just a tool to a form of an autonomous, evolving digital species. So this framing is compelling but metaphorical. Actually, it risks anthropomorphizing AI in a way that it may mislead the people into overestimating its consciousness as well as its intentions. Secondly, we see that AI can act in the world independently. So, as compared to the past, we see that Mustafa Suleiman says that AI can take actions which are based on learning and inputs without direct human intervention. We see it critically. It shows that the independence of AI is overstated. Uh, Actually, most models they still function within the parameters which are set by humans, and they rely on the curated data. Thirdly, we see that AI is reshaping power and influence in a way that AI is becoming central to economic, military, and political systems, shifting where power resides. So, this point is well founded, and it highlights the need for urgent policy responses, although it doesn't explore the disparity between AI development in the global north and south. Then the speaker, Mr. Suleiman, he insists on that now it's time to build the moral and legal frameworks to manage AI responsibly. So it's very crucial and critically uh, seen that while the call for governance is critical, the mechanisms of achieving it are glossed over, especially the geopolitical tensions that complicate international regulations. Next, we see that future AI systems they will not just compute, but they will interact, observe, and they adapt in real time. But if this projection is critically analyzed, it raises the concerns about the surveillance and the control, and also that unintended consequences or repercussions that are not deeply explored because they are not clear. They still are blurred. In the end, Mr. Suleiman he encourages collective responsibility in shaping the AI's development to benefit the humanity. Uh, if we see it critically, this call to action is inspiring, but it lacks a clear roadmap. It's really unclear who bears this responsibility. I mean, developers, either policymakers, either corporations, or the global citizens. So overall, this talk by Mustafa is a compelling introduction to the evolving nature of AI and its profound implications. Um, while it succeeds in raising awareness and promoting ethical reflection, it could benefit from deeper analysis of practical challenges, and it is a more grounded depiction of AI's current capabilities. So the metaphor digital species it's a powerful practical tool, but actually it needs to be unpacked carefully to uh, to avoid the confusion between metaphor and reality in real time. Thank you.